It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Timeless and sensual, this CLS is ready to provide a drive you will never forget. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo i6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power telescoping steering column, rear wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.